Welcome to HTM 101 and Introduction to Hospitality and Tourism. And we're going to start with an introduction exercise, which you'll see that I'll be introducing myself to you. My name is Lisa Crone, and I'm the adjunct professor for HTM 101. Also, my day job is I work as a director of human resources for the San Francisco Marriott Marquis. My goal, or what I hope to gain from the class, I hope to learn from each and every one of you what your career aspirations are and what you're interested in learning about hospitality. As far as hospitality experience and knowledge as an employee, I have worked for Marriott International for about 30 years, a little over, in a lot of different capacities, both in the operating departments as well as human resources. I also am a customer in hospitality. I often will go out to eat or stay in hotels or fly in airplanes, although not as much as I used to. And then, of course, whenever we're having those experiences, I think that sometimes the term critic can have a bad connotation. But I just take a look at it as like, watching the operation and understanding their systems. And so I'll want to hear from each and every one of you, your name, what your goal is, and what you hope to gain from the class, as well as any hospitality experience or knowledge you come in with, either as an employee, as a customer, or as a critic. And I look forward to hearing all of your information in any format in which you want to submit it to me. Thanks so much and enjoy the semester.